Am I recording? Oh, okay. Oh, I'm recording. Okay, let me figure out how to get into the frame properly because it's been a while since I filmed. Am I comfortable? Oh God, I'm not comfortable. Okay, I think this will do. All right. We got a lot to talk about. It's been a while since I filmed. I've got two announcements for you. Number one is that I will be filming regularly coming December. It'll be on and off from now until December because number two, I'm pregnant. Hey y'all, it's me, Jenny here. Yes, it has been a long time since I filmed. I don't know how to explain it. I will get into the details of why I haven't filmed in such a long time in my next video. It's quite emotional, but I just don't want to talk about it right now. Yeah, I am here to show you what I bought from I can't get it. Oh, the Sephora Customer Appreciation Sale. And yes, I'm not wearing much makeup. I just really wanted my skin to breathe, and I'm really tired these days, so I just filled in my eyebrows, put on mascara, put on some lip gloss, and I am just calling it a day. Anyways, if you want to see what I bought from the Sephora VIB Appreciation, no, that's not right. If you want to see what I bought from the Sephora Customer Appreciation Sale, check it out. Alright, so this is everything I bought from Sephora. Like in true Jenny fashion, I had to buy 1,000 stuff. But this time, I think I have a good reason because I am going on mat leave in the next 3 months, and I don't know if the regular Sephora VIB sale is happening in November. So I decided to stock up for the year that I will be off work. So, yes. But I want to give a quick shout out to Sephora, the customer service rep Wendy. She helped me out with my order because when my order came online, this originally all came in a box. I don't go in store. However, when I received my package, I had a spillage. As you can see on my order, there's like this blue mark of the makeup cleanser that I purchased. It actually spilled all over my products, and Wendy was nice enough to replace that for me ASAP. So shout outs to you, Wendy. Thank you so much, and hello. And yeah, so let's figure out what I bought. Oh, there's a lot. Oh, okay, there's a lot of stuff. Oh, and it still smells like makeup brush cleanser. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, so first I want to say some of the packaging will look like it's broken, like this one, because the Cinema Secrets makeup remover that I purchased, it, like I said, spilled everywhere. So let's just start with that. I bought 3 of these. There's only 2 of them right now. The third one is coming in the mail. I clean my makeup brushes every day, so I needed this. Let's put that aside. Okay. I have my good old handy First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I always have one in my purse at all times because I am a hairdresser. My hands are always dry, so I need something to moisturize my hands all the time, and this is really good for the winter months that are coming up. Ow. Let's see. Let's do the stuff that you guys have seen many times before. My Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. This I always use to fill in my eyebrows. I purchased, oh no, I think I have another one here. My Clinique Superbalm Moisturizing Gloss in Black Honey, my go-to lip gloss. I am wearing that now. Anything else? Oh, I also received a sample of the what is this thing called? The liquid blender cleaner of your, gosh, you guys, baby brain is so true, or pregnancy brain. Like, I'm just always at a loss for words. I can't figure out my words. I'm stumbling on everything. Beauty blender. This cleans your beauty blender sponge. This is not the solid. This is the liquid. I asked for this as a sample, so there you go. Okay. I picked up the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I love this stuff. This stuff makes me look like I'm 5 years younger, so I will purchase this forever and ever and ever. It's a serum. You put this on underneath your moisturizer morning and night, and you see a difference in 3 weeks. Okay, in true Jenny fashion, and I know I always say that, I purchased the Bite Beauty, and Bite Beauty is becoming one of my most favorite lip products or lip brand out there. I purchased the French press lip glosses. Oh, there's another one that's right here. And yeah, I purchased all of them because, well, it's lips, and well, we all know that I love this kind of stuff. So yeah, I do want to smell one of them because this is in black coffee, because they say it smells like coffee. And since I've been pregnant, I haven't been able to drink much of it, so I want to smell it. Oh yeah, this smells like coffee. Whoa, that smells good. Okay. I picked up the Chrissy Tiegan Becca Endless Summer Glow. This is her bronzer. I really like bronzers, you guys. And this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I like the combination of colors. And it gives it like this nice peachy, well, at least the swatches that I've seen, a nice peachy glow, if you guys can see it. I really like it. It looks good on, it'll look good on my skin tone. Moving on. I should have brought some wipes with me, but whatever. Okay, where is it? I was watching someone's YouTube channel. Who was it? Why can't I remember? Anyways, I will link her channel down below. That's it, Makeup by Cheryl. I was watching her YouTube channel, and she swore by the Dior Backstage buffing brush, and it looks, gosh, and it looks like this. And she was applying it with the new Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I picked up the shade 3W, and apparently this is supposed to be lightweight, but with buildable coverage. I bought the Kat Von D. I know I'm like way off the bandwagon, or on the bandwagon now, but I bought the Kat Von D Shade and Light Glimmer palette. I have been eyeing this palette for such a long time, but the reason why I haven't been, why can't I take this out? The reason why I haven't been, or I haven't purchased it yet, is because there is shimmer in it, but I am such a fan of the matte version of this, and every time I do go into Sephora, which is like once every 3 months, I always seem to be swatching this, and finally I said, you know what, it's 20% off, what the hell, why not? So I purchased it. Comment down below if you guys know that, if you guys have any idea if the Sephora VIP Appreciation Sale is going to happen in November, because I really didn't purchase everything that I wanted to buy. I will be purchasing more, truthfully, to prepare me for when I'm off work for about a year and a little bit. I've been hearing a lot of things about the Monsieur Big Mascara. For those of you who don't know me so well, I prefer thickness on my lashes versus length. I've been a long time user of the Lancome mascaras, and so I figured I would purchase this just to see what this is like. Apparently this is supposed to give volume, and I really like the wands. Can you see it? I really like the wands that are on the Lancome mascaras. They're more of a natural bristle wand versus the plastic wands, so I want to give this a try. If I like it, I will purchase more of these, the next 20% off or 50% off that we do get. Okay, I finally gave in, you guys. Like, years after years, I finally gave in. I ordered the Nars Orgasm Blush and Loose Powder. Let's talk highlighters and bronzers and skincare, because I have been eyeing these products for such a long time. So let's start with Bare, oh, that's Hourglass. Let's start with Bare Minerals. I ordered 3 other highlighters. I ordered medium, tan, and dark to deep. I ordered all 3 of them because my skin color changes a lot in the summers. Medium would be my winter color, tan would be my summer color, and dark to deep would be if I ever were to go to the Caribbean, because I can get really super dark. So I was watching Shan XO's declutter video, and she had kept these highlighters, so out of all the millions of highlighters that she has. So I decided to purchase all of them because, well, let's put it out there, I don't go in store, I don't know what to buy. So I just order whatever, and then if I don't like it, then when I do have the time, I just go to store to return everything that doesn't match me. I bought the 2 First Solid Jelly Beam highlighters. Now in my last April VIB sale, I ordered one of their highlighters. I loved it. It's like this jelly consistency, and it stayed on my skin for such a long time. I loved it. I used it on a few of my customers. They loved it. They told me that it stayed on their face for the whole day. So I picked up Rose Goals. If I can open it. And like I said, if you can see, the Cinema Secrets makeup cleanser or brush cleanser got all over the white packaging. So this is Rose Goals, if you can see. And then this is Glow Up. Oh. If you guys can see, I know there's a reflection of the sun, but I figured I would try that because eventually I will go back to work and I will need to replenish everything in my kit, because pretty much by the time I go back to work, everything in my kit will be expired. So I am stocking up for the kit that I will have in the future. But I will not open these products because once you open them, they start to deteriorate, which is why if I'm saving them for my kit, I will not be exposing them to the air anytime soon. Okay, let's talk Hourglass. Look at that. Look at this packaging. Look what Cinema Secrets did to my Hourglass packaging. But it didn't do anything to the product itself, which is why I'm not making a big fuss about it. I'm keeping everything. But I purchased all of the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. There is 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 of them. I purchased, now this was my splurge. I never wanted to purchase these, but because they were so damn expensive, but everyone, including Tim Talia's blog, kept raving about them. And if the blush is too light for me, I can always use it as a highlighter, but I keep hearing good things about it, so I purchased all of them, and that was my splurge, and I'm happy that I did it, so it's not on the back of my head. Because I've always been wanting to purchase them, but I haven't because of the price point, and then finally I just got over it, and now they're purchased. I also ordered, oh god, this packaging just went all wonky, the Hourglass the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. Now, I am now looking for a new primer because the primer that I currently have, I do not like. I will talk about what primer that is in my next empties video. We'll just keep it at that. So I figured I'd try this. I do need a primer to stay put on oily skin because since I've gotten pregnant, my skin has been a lot oilier than it was before. So now it's like super duper oily, and now that I'm blow drying, I sweat even more when I blow dry, so now I'm like super duper oily because I perspire while I blow dry. I'm telling you, it's just a hot mess, like a total hot mess. All right, finally skincare. I gave in to the Drunk Elephant C Firma Day Serum and the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. You put this on during the day and you put this on during the night underneath your moisturizer, and you apparently will see your skin smoother than ever, clearer than ever, and less pigmentation. I hear good things about Drunk Elephant, and I know they're part of like the clean something clean. Oh, I'll link it down below what exactly it is. Anyways, they're paraben free. They don't have a lot of chemicals in it, which is why I purchased it, and I will let you know how that goes. I gave into the hype with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Protective Primer. everyone keeps raving about it, and well, it was 20% off. I can't open the package. Oh wow, look at the inside. That's really pretty. Oh wow, it's really packaged. Oh, there's all this stuff inside. Okay, so I have a doctor's appointment, so I can't figure out how to do this right now, but there's a lot of hype about it. They say that your makeup lasts longer on the stuff. So I picked it up, and finally, oh, this stuff I love. This is the Amaura Skin Purifier, the cleansing oil. Now, I purchased this, I believe, 2 years ago. I finally got through it, so that's how long it lasts me. I use it every night to take off my makeup, and it just, everything comes right off, including mascara. Some mascara is harder than others, but at the end of the day, it takes everything off. I love it. I will constantly repurchase this because I will be filming a lot more regularly come December for the next year. I might have to purchase another one of these because because this is actually also what I use to take off my makeup after I film. So yeah, and that's everything that I bought. And that is everything that I bought from the Sephora Customer Appreciation Sale. Thank you so very much for watching. If you want to catch me on all my social media, you can catch me right here. You can catch me on Instagram, Facebook, and now Snapchat. That is at Kiss Jenny. That's kiss.jenny, Jenny with an IE. And I will see you in my next video. Also, if you want to subscribe, you can catch me right here, or my last video, it will be right here. Now, thank you so very much for watching. I upload videos every Wednesday, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.